Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a populated Google Sheet, access to a WhatsApp Business API or trusted gateway, and automation tool credentials. Once done, open the sheet and standardize phone numbers to international format. Next, create a new automation scenario or app script project and connect it to your Google account. This establishes permissions. Make sure to enable Sheets API and prepare a single test row so you can validate the connection immediately and avoid mass errors later. Now construct the core workflow. Map your sheet columns to the WhatsApp API payload so phone becomes recipient and message becomes text content. If using Zapier or Make, choose trigger type, new row or scheduled for controlled sends. If using app script, write a function to read rows and post to the gateway. Once mapped, add error handling and a queue with small pauses to respect rate limits. Test with one row and inspect the gateway response to confirm success and headers. Finish by running an end-to-end test of several messages, then review delivery receipts and automation logs to confirm proper behavior. Once validated, deploy on a controlled batch and add a column for status updates and opt-outs so you stay compliant. If something fails, first verify your API credentials and webhook authentication. Next, confirm phone numbers are in correct international format and that you haven't hit rate limits. Finally, inspect gateway error codes and retry logic to
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.